Hey everybody, my name is Jasmine Chakray. I am the CEO of Your Lock News, but I also love all things content creation, and I do all of this while being somebody's mama. So today we're going to package a few orders, probably like 3 or 4 because one of the orders has a lot. So first up we have Mari. Mari asked me to record her order for YouTube. Mari, you're really close to the office, so our next photo shoot we may need you. But Mari got a oh, she joined a live, so this is an invoice order, which means she got a color that was no longer on the site because she joined a live. So she got a matching set for our 22-inch mint splatter, and then she won a Lock Babe keychain. So this is mint splatter. Mint splatter is actually my color that first went viral on TikTok, and then she is getting the Lock Babe keychain as soon as it focuses. I don't know, does it want to focus? A Lock Babe keychain. So Mari, thank you for placing an order with us. I hope that you love your spiral ties. By the time you see this video, obviously your package will be to you, but by the time you see this video, we should have a whole new collection out, and she's also gonna get our cute little sticker in her order. All right, next up we have Erica. Erica has a huge order. Let's see, Marcus picked up. Her order is so big that I have to actually pull the order up to make sure that we have everything in here. Erica has placed 4 orders since January 6th. It's March 10th, so 4 orders in a span of 2 months. We met Erica. Yeah, it's funny because the way Erica's name is spelled, me and Jazz did not know how to say her name, so that's why that was just funny. But we met Erica through TikTok. She joins pretty much every live that we have, and this order is so big that I need to make sure that everything is in here. Okay, so first off, let me print this label. Because we are sending stuff out in a box, but she got so much stuff that it's not going to fit in the box. It's going to actually have to go in, why isn't it printed? It's going to have to go in a mailer. And what's happening to my printer? Oh, it's not on. So I'm not going to actually pack Erica's order on here. I'm just going to show you her order because we need to put it in the mailer, and Jazz will do that part. So first up, Erica joined a live. So all of these colors at the time were not on the website. So she placed an inventory invoice order. And so this was her 4th order, and she got a whole lot, child. She got a lot. So let me just wipe this bottle down one more time, and let's get into what she is getting. Okay, so first up, Erica did get a mini oil sampler, but she is allergic to, I believe it was lavender. So we had to switch out her, I'm tying my shoe. We had to switch out one of her oils. I'll just give her 2 growth oils. So she's getting 2 jasmine mint mini oils in this order. She's been wanting the oils for a while, so she finally got them. She got orange dreamsicle. She got mauve, deep sea, scratch the denim, rose pink, pink splatter, mint splatter, sapphire, denim pink, and sunrise. She also got a 15-inch spiral tie holder because she won that by placing the order while we were on live. Erica, thank you for shopping with us again. We had a time doing this order, okay? We had a time. All right, next up, I'm gonna show you what do we have next? A little variety. I'm gonna show you all Taylor's order. Taylor got nude and denim. She got denim pink. She also got scratch the denim. Taylor is a returning customer. She was actually one of our models in the last photo shoot. And then I will show you all 3 more orders. So we have Asia. Asia, I hope I'm saying your name right. If I'm not, please tell me in the comments. She got a French gray matching set. And then she got black your way with a dark green thread. I don't know why this don't want to pick up. There we go. Thank you for placing a first time order. I need to make sure that I get your stickers. This has become my least favorite part of the day, building these boxes. But we had to make the change. Now we only send out mailers if a spiral tie holder is in it. It has to be an easier way to do this. I just broke this one, did I? Okay. Rihanna's order, she's a first time customer. I pretty much at this point know who is a first time customer, who is a returning customer. She got Canary. She joined a Invoice Live also. Canary released last year. Rose Pink. And this is what I mean when I say our spiral ties are unique. It depends on the thread coloring and sometimes the cut of the fabric, depending on what type of fabric it is. So you see these are both rose pink, but they're both wrapped with a different thread. And then she also got sapphire. So once again, to show you a difference, both of these are sapphire, but they're both wrapped in a different thread. Thank you, Brianna, for your first time order. I hope that you'll come back and get more. Last order, I'm going to show you all. This might have been. Okay, the last order that I'm going to show you all is Shalina. She got a tie-dye dream. She also got sunrise. Child, is this sunrise or sunset? It's one of those suns. So again, let's show you a difference in threads. Same spiral tie, just 2 different threads. She got deep sea also. This is a mystery pack that she is getting. The first 3 that I just showed you were a part of her mystery pack. So once again, same spiral tie, different threads. And then she ordered a jet black. Shalina, thank you for placing your first time order. I hope that you also love them so much that you come back and shop our new collection coming out on the 15th. Okay, y'all, that was it for today's orders. There are plenty more that I could show, but I need to get back to work. We are getting ready for the March 15th collection, so we're getting these orders out the door. Today is Tuesday, so we're getting those out. It takes the post office a while to scan because of how many packages we bring every week, but we are working to get through the rest of our orders for February. We got 187 orders in February. These are February orders, so thank you all so much for placing an order with us last month. We truly appreciate it. We truly appreciate your patience. We're sending out about 700 to 900 spiral ties a month, hand making them. So thank you so much for your patience. I hope that you all love the product that we're putting out, love the story that we're telling, and I hope that you'll come back often. Until next time, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. Please comment down below. Let us know how you loved your products. Let us know how you love the brand or what you don't like. I love to hear feedback. But anyways, until the next video, I'll talk to you all on our next live on Instagram or TikTok. Talk to y'all soon. Bye. Forget to come and pick up your